Hi BaeBeats, what's up? I'm Lainee Beat and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Lainee's Sweet Thoughts. We are going to make this creamy and milky melon juice. What are we waiting for? Let's get started!
Dirty bit.
The things we need will be 1 can of Alaska Condensada Milky Melon, 4 liters of water, 2 cups of melon strips, and 2 cups of cooked Mini Sago. For the first step, pour the Alaska Melon Condensada in a big bowl. And then, pour 4 liters of water. Mix it until the melon condensada is dissolved. Add the melon strips and then mix. Then, add the cooked Mini Sago and mix it again. You can add ice or simply put it in the fridge and then you're done. If you want it to be more creamy, you can add evaporated milk, and if you want it to be more fancy, you can put cooked red or orange gulaman. You can now serve this to your friends and loved ones. I hope you learned a lot and I hope you liked my video. If you want to request more videos and recipes like this, just comment down below. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated every time I posted a new video. Again, this is Lainee Beat and see you on my next video. Mwah!